Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about portobello mushrooms, and I have a list of food and flavoring combinations that will hopefully help you out, especially if you're looking for something a little different to do with the mushrooms you have. Combine portobellos with arugula, balsamic vinegar, mozzarella cheese, and rosemary. Or portobellos with arugula and mustard. Portobellos with arugula, pasta, and peas. How about portobellos with arugula, red bell peppers, and white beans? Or portobellos with balsamic vinegar, garlic, olive oil, and parsley? How about portobello mushrooms with barley and thyme, as in a soup? Or portobellos with bell peppers, eggplant, and goat cheese in a sandwich? How about portobellos with some breadcrumbs, chives, garlic, and olive oil? Or portobellos with some bitter greens and potatoes? This list is kind of long, and so this is part one. I broke it up into two parts. I'll have a link to part two video below. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.